Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Residents of Reading Road in Horton District, St. Elizabeth, blocked the Lacovia to Magotty main road early this morning. They cited poor road conditions and a lack of water and electricity since the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025. They say they are yet to get a response from the authorities on the issue. Now, although the police cleared the roadway to allow traffic, it was later blocked again as residents stood their ground. A team led by head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Superintendent Coleridge Mento, attempted to quell the situation.
We have since contacted the Member of Parliament for this area. I've also made contact with JPS and to express the concerns of the citizens. I want to indicate that I have met with the community members and spoke to them regarding the impact of blocking the major roadways, particularly at this time where our students are sitting and preparing for the external exams. The citizens have expressed their frustration, but their understanding, and so we're not anticipating any further blockage of the road.
He said the police also observed the downed power lines, broken poles, and severely damaged roads during their visit.
St. Elizabeth Division, we still have a few areas without electricity, and naturally, not only is it a cause of concern in terms of security considerations, but the very nature of those who live in these communities to operate without street lights lighting their homes, the darkness in the community certainly is a difficult challenge for the citizens. And naturally, when we have to police, to move from one location to the next, it does create. You saw this road that we had to travel on.
Now, the National Works Agency recently said that assessments have been done and work will begin in areas where the roads have been damaged during the hurricane last year. However, the ongoing rainfall has hindered the work to be done.